So today we are going to discuss the different types of communication that you might use in different situations and environments. So what we really want to focus on is that our language that we use, the way that we communicate can change by the different situations that we might be in. And it's important to understand what's acceptable and expected in one situation might not be appropriate in another. Okay. So basically, what we're going to do is you are going to have a discussion with Ms. Schmidt about the differences and similarities that you might experience between communicating with your friends versus your parents versus a potential employer. Okay. So before you get started on filling out your worksheet, what I would like you to do is make sure that you are discussing your friends and how a situation might be different between you communicating with your friends and your family and your family and your employer and your friends. Have a quick discussion about that before we even get started so that we have an idea of where we're going with this. What kind of expectations do each one of those have? What would happen if you greeted your friends in the way you greet an interviewer? What would happen if you greeted an interviewer the same way you greet your friends? Okay, think about these things. Then now I'm going to ask you, after you have that short discussion, to look at activity 2, flipping the switch, and you can fill this out together. What's going to happen is just that it gives you a situation, like the first one says saying hello or saying goodbye. Talk about or write it down there, list a few things or ways that you communicate hello and goodbye with your friends, that you communicate hello and goodbye with your family, and in the professional realm, okay, that you would at your job. You can go through and, like I said, you can work on this together. Then when you get done with it, I've got another question that I have up in the Google Classroom that is titled Flipping the Switch, because that's our lesson for today. And then if you finish that, we're going to do another little discussion and activity with some of the barriers that we might have when we are communicating and how we can work around those barriers. Thank you.